Hi everyone, I am Adira Raj from Access Language School. In this lesson, we are going to discuss about some adjectives that are inspiring. Well, before that, what is inspiring? Inspiring is a quality that persuades you to do something different or something which will make some changes in your life. So let's have a look at some adjectives that you can use when someone inspires you. So the first one is stirring. Stirring means you can use this word when something stirs up your emotion in a positive manner. For example, you watched a movie which was so motivating and you are talking about the movie like it was a stirring movie. Then the next word is enthusing. Enthusing means when you want to respect someone who is so intelligent or someone who is so knowledgeable, and whatever he or she do or whatever he or she say just inspires you completely. So in that case or in that situation, you can use the word enthusing. For example, his words are so enthusing. Next one is encouraging. We are often encouraged by many people, right? So if something triggers you in a very positive manner, you can call it as encouraging. Or if someone encourages you, you will get a push to do something different. For example, my father's speech was so encouraging. The last one is rousing. Rousing can be used in the similar way of stirring or moving. That means when you find something so appreciative, or for places which you found so appreciative, or some people that you find so inspiring, in those cases you can use the word rousing. So I hope this will be useful for you. For more videos, subscribe Access Language School.